Good day everyone. My name is Eman Jastrik Birudilla and from BSHM 1.8. I'd like to talk about very timely and relevant topic, how communication contexts affect the way we interpret message, especially when comparing online versus face-to-face interaction. And let's start with something familiar. Have you ever misunderstood a message sent through the chat or text? Maybe you thought someone was angry when they were just being short. Or maybe a joke did not land because there was no facial expression or tone to go with it. These are common examples of context play a big role in how we understand each other. In face-to-face communication, we rely not just on words but also on nonverbal cues like tone of voice, gestures, eye contact, and facial expressions. This help us interpret the speaker's real intention and emotion. For example, a simple "I'm fine" can mean very different things depending how it's said in the expression on the person's face. Now compare the online communication on video calls, chat, or emails. Many of these nonverbal cues are missing or unclear. That's why the misunderstanding are more likely. In fact, research shows the online communication often leads to more confusion or misinterpretation, especially when the topic is emotional or sensitive. However, online communication has its strengths too. It's allow for convenience, documentation, and connection over distance. With the rise of video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Google Meet, we now try to mimic face-to-face communication, but even then, things like internet delay or camera angles still make a difference. In our case study, we found that people tend to trust face-to-face communication more because it feels more personal and real. Meanwhile, online interaction requires more clarification, emojis, or even video to avoid miscommunication. So what can we learn from this? First, we must always consider the context whether we're chatting online or talking in person. Second, we should adjust how we communicate based on the platform we're using. For example, using clearer language in text or confirming understanding during online meetings. And lastly, we must develop stronger verbal and visual communication skills, especially as future hospitality professionals. We are where proper understanding is essential for guest satisfaction and service. For conclusion is communication is more than just words. The context, the place, the medium, the cue all shape how our message is received, whether online or face to face. Let's be more mindful so we can connect better and communicate effectively in setting. Thank you so much.